yeah, it's that. You never know. Sometimes you eat stuff and the next time you eat it.
Yeah, sometimes you eat the whole thing. I mean, with all the sugar and everything. I mean, sometimes if you're not fast, your food will be eaten. You've always had Tootsie Roll hard.
Well, ever since I got Donka, IVF,
Yeah, and that's...
Another light air day today compared to yesterday when we had 30 knot winds. So the boat sat at the dock yesterday. Don't need to go out for no apparent reason when it's that windy. Got a chance to get some boat projects finished up. Start thinking about bringing the boat back already. In the middle of August now. Be up here probably another month, maybe 6 weeks at the most before we start heading back. Sad to say, but we're at that time already.
But they showed the break dance. Was that right? But they had it was a competition. It was two guys break. We have a big variety in the sand and get the sand down. And I had Cuba. When you spend it, like when you spend it with a TJ card, there we park up at the Crest Library. Because they have a very clean bathroom, and I like to look through the used books for 50 cents every time I went. And then we decided to go up to Egg Harbor because it just wasn't busy. You know, there wasn't a lot of traffic, and even in Egg Harbor. Where did we stop after? Well, then we went to Bailey's Harbor because Muppy's like, oh yeah, no, she hasn't read. Yeah, Death's Door.
Yeah.
Because the librarian was telling us about a split section of like people just donate their books and they take the recycled stuff and the video too. So we kind of spent longer than we've been spending with my hair. So we'll look at the video. And she had a state park separate. So we had to go over that way. Oh my God, Lake Michigan was raising the wind so slow. And that's how I just loved it. I loved it. There were like no dead fish, there were no flies. And we almost had to shout over the waves. It was that loud.
She goes, now I have a whole different opinion. Oh,
What? You're selling the bag?
Yeah, she chased that cat all the way. It's awesome.
Now, see, if I were to buy that cup, I would buy a big jug of red rock or red tomato. Her sister and her brother-in-law, who were retired military, retired army, were living in Bremerhaven.
That I gave Aunt Betsy and then she gave it back to me. Which I'm glad. I took a little flamingo down to Flamingo's mother. And I was going to put it in front of the window, but it's the pumpkin with the horses and then Cinderella. Because I said of all of the fairy tales, Cinderella was always my favorite. And this was her in the pumpkin. It was beautiful. It was about only had one at the Yadro store. There was only one, and I watched it.
The girls that I was with started to stop at the bars and have a Bloody Mary here and a screwdriver here. What happened? Yep, there is.
Did Frankie come back or Gail last night? No. He came over the other day again. He comes up on the porch and looks rowdy.
Is it a dog?
Oh really?
Yeah, I had.
Oh, so you did.
These are my Oshkosh girls.
So you did day drinking?
Yes, we did.
That's what that flavor is.
Well, that one, put it down, we'll lie on it.
I was gonna put it over here.
Yeah.
Sit over here. In my spot.
Oh, there.
Their house, and then during the day he goes. He's got cousins and other cousins because he's a cousin of Adam. So he goes with him there. What do you think of their house? The smell of the cigar. Yeah. But I mean, she didn't feel uncomfortable. She's like, I don't really feel like entertaining him, but he kind of entertained himself, I guess. But she and Ellie.
So socially, they're not reading cues well. They're excluded from the group. They don't fit in.
That's some logic. On alert or do you think I need that thing in the front? That rope? Get it out of there?
Just in case.
Huh?
Just in case. Back at the dock, all safely tied up. Thanks for watching this video again, and please remember to give us a like if you would, and also to subscribe if you haven't done so already. We really appreciate it. It helps our channel, and it helps our channel grow. So thanks again, and we'll see you back out on the water soon.